Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, the place where we explore the latest in tech and bring you the best tools to enhance your digital experience. Today we've got something really exciting for all you Windows users out there. We're diving into the world of PC backup software, and specifically, we'll be checking out one of the best free options for Windows 10 and 11, the Hasleo Backup Suite Free. Let's delve into some of the key features that make Hasleo Backup Suite Free a top choice for Windows users. System backup. With Hasleo, you can create a full system backup, ensuring that your entire operating system, along with all your programs and settings, is securely saved. File and folder backup. Whether it's your important documents, photos, or videos, Hasleo Backup Suite allows you to selectively backup specific files and folders, giving you control over your backup preferences. Incremental backup. Hasleo uses incremental backup technology, which means it only backs up the changes made since the last backup. This not only saves time but also reduces the storage space required. Bootable USB creation. In case of a system crash, you can create a bootable USB drive with Hasleo, allowing you to restore your system even if it's not booting up. Once the installation is complete and you open the application, it will ask you to set up a default storage folder for backups. Make sure you have an external drive for backups. Don't back up to the same drive where Windows is installed. This is just a tutorial, so we'll select a folder on my Windows installation. As you can see, the interface is very user-friendly. There is a navigation menu on your left where you can easily click on icons for backup, restore, clone, and tools. With Hasleo, you can create a full system backup, ensuring that your entire operating system, along with all your programs and settings, is securely saved. When opting for a Windows operating system backup, Hasleo Backup Suite Free streamlines the process by automatically identifying and selecting all the necessary partitions. All you have to do is customize the task name, description, destination, and backup preferences according to your requirements. Simply make these adjustments and click the Proceed button to initiate the backup process. The Windows operating system partition and other partitions necessary for Windows starting are the only partitions that are backed up by the system backup feature. You should back up any additional drives and partitions on your computer using the disk partition backup function to safeguard your data. You can select several disks and partitions for backup using the disk partition backup option. The backup image file will contain the data from all of the specified disks and partitions, which you can restore as needed. The backup options is the advanced backup settings of Hasleo Backup Suite, which are available when creating a new backup task or editing task information. Space is related to settings that may affect storage space, including compression, splitting, and image retention policy. To safeguard your data, encrypt the backup images using a password. You must input the password and adjust the encryption strength as necessary to adequately protect your data. Hasleo Backup Suite encrypts the backup images using the AES encryption method. You can also set pre-command and post-command for the task. The command may be a program or script. Set up email notifications to instantly update users on the backup task's execution status. This includes whether the task succeeded, failed, or needs human intervention. You'll need to input the required details using the SMTP configuration information provided by your email server provider. Within the advanced settings, you have the option to perform a sector-by-sector backup. Enable this option to back up all sectors of the specified partitions, regardless of whether the file system uses them. Additionally, you can choose to verify the integrity of the backup image files upon completion. The Quick Image Check assesses if all files from the backup task exist or if the structure of some files is damaged. On the other hand, the Complete Image Check goes beyond the Quick Image Check by scrutinizing all the backed up data blocks in detail. The default action of the backup button. It specifies the type of backup executed when clicking the backup button on the backup task control located on the home page. You can also set up backup schedules to automatically back up Windows operating system on a regular basis. The typical method for automatically backing up Windows involves backup scheduling. Usually, this feature comes with a price tag and many backup software options. However, with Hasleo backup software, it's absolutely free. You have the flexibility to choose from one-time, daily, weekly, monthly, or event-triggered scheduling modes. Simply set the desired time for the backup to run in the pop-up window and click the OK button to save your preferences. You can easily add multiple backup schedules for a single backup task using the same steps. On the backup modes, a full backup involves copying all selected data and files in a specified system or storage. It captures everything, ensuring a complete and independent copy of the selected data. An incremental backup saves only the data that has changed since the last backup, whether it's a full or incremental backup. A differential backup preserves the data that has changed since the last full backup, regardless of subsequent incremental backups. Captures all changes since the last full backup, making it a midpoint between full and incremental backups. The image retention policy helps decide the duration or quantity for preserving each type of backup image file in a backup task. This simplifies the management of storage space utilized by the backup task. With Hasleo backup software, you can also do file backups. File backup enables the selection of specific files and folders, rather than the entire drive or partition, to be included in a backup image file. If the time comes for restoring files or windows, you can click on the Restore button in the navigation bar and click Browse Image to Restore button in the operation area. Then select the system backup image file you want to restore from the Open File dialog box. You can also select an existing task to restore. Cloning involves duplicating the contents of one storage drive onto another, unlike standard copying, which recognizes file formats and recreates files on the new drive. Cloning software copies all data bit by bit, irrespective of its type or content. Hasleo provides 3 types of cloning. 1. System clone migrates the Windows operating system from one disk to an SSD or a larger disk without requiring a Windows reinstallation, preserving applications and drivers. 2. Disk clone clones the entire disk to another disk, ensuring that the contents of the source disk and the destination disk are identical. 3. Partition clone clones a specific partition entirely to a designated location on the current disk or another disk, ensuring the data remains unchanged. The bootable WinP media tool in Hasleo Backup Suite is a powerful feature that allows you to create a bootable media environment using the Windows pre-installation environment WinP. This tool is particularly useful for system recovery and restoration tasks. The tool facilitates the creation of a bootable USB drive that includes the WinP environment. It serves as a standalone environment that can be used to access Hasleo Backup Suite functionalities even when the operating system is not accessible or experiencing issues. The Check Backup Image tool can help check the integrity of the backup image and determine whether the image can be restored. The Merge Backup Image tool merges multiple consecutive backup image versions into a single version, which can save storage space. The Wipe Drive tool allows the ability to permanently wipe out the data on a drive. This can be useful when selling or giving away the drive to others. And there you have it, folks, a quick overview of one of the best free PC backup solutions for Windows 10 and 11, Hasleo Backup Suite Free. It's a fantastic tool to ensure the safety of your data without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and leave a comment below with your favorite backup tips or any other tools you'd like us to explore. Until next time, I'm Zach, signing off. Stay backed up, stay secure.